If you are struggling to figure out how to export artboards, I'm going to show you really quickly how I exported my artboards. I've only just started using Affinity and I switched from Adobe. I was designing my first social media post, which was a carousel. And it meant that I had a few artboards and I wanted to export them. I was looking through Affinity and the interface and I could not figure out how to export. So I've got these 6 artboards that I wanted to export, and initially what I did was File, Export, and I looked through the options here, but I couldn't find a suitable one because if I was to choose the whole document, it was just a whole PNG of my artboards, which I don't want to do that. I had all the different artboards here one by one, and I don't want to go and export one by one because what if I have 30 artboards? So I was not really happy with what I could see here, and I looked everywhere, and after a bit of research I figured out how to do it. So we go to our export persona here, which is a serif affinity thing that I haven't used before today. Go to this panel, that's the crucial one. So you see here it says layers and slices. So you go on the slices, and basically what you see here are your artboards and then the whole thing. So you want to select the artboards you want to export. You select all of the artboards you want to export. And here it says export slices. Then you have the selection of your folder and you name it, and that's it. Hope that helps.